Need to turn on portable hotspot on your Samsung phone? It's a great way to share your internet with other devices when Wi-Fi isn't available. In this video, I'll guide you through a simple setup process to get it working in no time. Let's begin. To do that, swipe down the quick settings from the home screen. If you don't see the hotspot option, then extend the quick settings. Now press and hold on the mobile hotspot. Here it is, the hotspot enable or disable option. Toggle it on to enable hotspot and then toggle it off to disable. After that, scroll down a little bit, tap on the network name. From here, you can change the hotspot network name or password. You can change the security option. If you tap on advanced, you'll see more advanced options. Scroll down. From here, you can turn on and off power saving mode as well. And that's how you can turn on portable hotspot on your Samsung phone. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks a lot for watching.